Good morning, students. Let's start and welcome to the physics class. We are going to discuss about the very important topic today's the gravitation. Yes, this is a very important topic as a point of view of class 9th and 11th also. Okay, gravitation. This is the field types of force, and we are going to discuss about what is the gravitation. Okay, beta. Gravitation means the when any massive object, the object which have the mass, okay, when a massive object get attract to any another massive object, this effect it's called the gravitation. Okay, and we think that the always in our mind it comes to that the gravitation means the attraction of any object by earth. Same like that, when earth is attract that particular chalk, so we are saying that this is the gravitation. So gravitational force of the earth, this is the only one example. Okay, now we can say that the gravitational force is applicable in all and any type of the massive object. Suppose that if any massive object is the having mass m1 and another mass object have the mass m2, then these two masses have the properties to the apply the gravitational force between each other. They can be apply the force, okay, and the force between these two masses, okay, this is called the gravitational force, and this properties is called the gravitational effect. Okay, and earth is the also one example of the gravitational effect which can be applied the force over any another massive object. Okay, so how much force this can be applied? This is very easy, we know very well. This force, suppose that is F is the force between these two masses. Okay, so this force is the directly proportional to the product of these two mass m1 and m2, and it is the inversely proportional to square between these two masses. This is the 1 by r square, where r is the distance between these two masses. Okay, when will be remove this proportional sign, then one constant will come. This is the capital G, and value is come m1 m2 upon r square. Okay beta, F equal to capital G m1 m2 upon r square, where capital G is called the gravitational constant, and this gravitational force is applicable in all over the universe. That's why this is called universal constant also. Okay, the value of this G is the 1.6 into 1.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. Okay, and what will be the unit? It's, you know, the unit of the force is Newton meter square per kg square. Newton meter square per kg square. Okay, and one thing very important, this value see here minus 11, this is a very small value, minus 11. That's why, and you know very well, the mass of earth is up to the 10 to power 24 kg near about. That's why the we can see the effect of the earth, we can see the effect of the earth for gravitational force, and the small any another masses we cannot see their effect. That's why we saying that the earth have the only gravitational force. But remember that each and every mass have this effect, gravitational effect. Same like that, this chalk can also have the effect to apply the gravitational force over this particular blackboard, but we cannot experience this force. This is only because of this 10 to power minus 11. Okay students, we are going to something more important is that what is the properties of the gravitational force. Okay, this gravitational force have many properties. Same like that, this force does not affect by any medium, it does not depend upon the medium. Same like that, the force between two masses does not affect when we change the medium. Okay, one thing more, when suppose any another mass m3 is come in between these two masses, this m3 will not affect the previous force which was applied in between m1 m2. This force cannot be affected by this second and another mass when it comes in between these two masses. Okay, so this force is a fixed force, does not depend upon the medium, it also does not depend upon any another masses which come in between these two masses. Okay, one thing also remember that gravitational force is the only attractive force. Yes, this is very important, and you know very well it is the field force. Okay, it affect without contact. Okay, same like that the electric and magnetic force, but electric and magnetic force is a repulsive also, but in case of gravitational force, it is the only attractive. Okay, next we will discuss the lots of things about the gravitational force. Okay, that's all. Thank you.